That's what mission is about. There's a door behind me. When we're done, I'm going to walk through that door. I'm going to get our car packed up, and I'm going to head to Queens. I don't need mission to get to that door, right? But we talk about all kids learning or, changing the narrative of a school. That's mission driven because all the math says they're from Jersey, they're from Queens, they got these circumstances, under resources aren't there. We had like all the stuff, the poverty, right? The deficits. But when we decide, which means in my world, in the world of ruthless equity, decide means to put all other options to death. When the human being does that, you get out of the way because we become unstoppable. And every single person on this call has been in a situation like that in their personal life and professional life where you made it happen. And that's what mission is about. We can't do that with every single standard in the curriculum, but the ones we deem absolutely essential, those are the ones we have to click into that mode.